this client always schedule the weekly status meetings on Fridays? It should be on Mondays, yeah. Oh my god, I haven't done anything in this week. What should I tell in the status? Why did I watch that Dappa web series, man? Who's gonna help me now? Yes, it should be Smita because she's the senior and she's the only person who can understand me in this team. Let's go.
അമ്മ ആണോ?
Smita, Smita.
അമ്മ ഒരു മിനിറ്റ്. യാ വാട്ട് മുരളി?
Actually, today it's my turn to go to the supermarket for groceries. Can you go instead of me? Because I have a lot of work that I have to finish before the weekly status call here. I haven't done anything in this week.
What is this? How many times you do this? Last time also when there was some important task, what did you do? You just gave it to me and Varsha. And myself and Varsha has to sit down and do all your pending works. And now we are doing the same thing. We can't take it. You go better. You'll better look for someone else.
Shit, this plan has gone wrong. Whom should I ask now? If I ask Smita also, she won't help me because she has already helped me last time. We have Guru, right? Yeah, he is the only one who can understand me in this team because he is the only junior and we have some similarities. I'm coming, bro.
Hey Murali, come here. I want to tell you something.
Go. I have so many important things to do.
Listen to me, it'll help you.
No need. You do your work.
Okay.
You know how busy I am? By the way, where is Guru? 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 Please wake up, man. I need your help. Guru? Guru? Lema? Re babu, lera.
Because of her son's birthday party only we came and struck here. Better I ask Varsha only. She is the only one who can understand my situation because she is the softest person in the team.
What is this? Kitchen is so dirty. Whose turn it was yesterday? I think it was Murli's turn. He spoiled everything. Like I have to wash all the vessels before I start cooking. I don't know. Seriously, after Murli's turn, I will not take this kitchen work on. Let him enter the kitchen. Really, I'll kill him. Everyone makes ginger tea, I'll make Murli tea. Seriously. People are dying outside, not being hygienic. And this guy doesn't have common sense. Okay, whatever. But I have to wash all this before.
Varsha?
Who's calling now? Murli. What is this, Murli? You have spoiled everything here. He has a lot of homework also. I have to finish that homework also.
Hello, Kirti. I thought your friend is so soft here, but she has 2-3 different avatars inside her.
I want to tell you something. We really cannot judge the book from outside.
She's behaving like school teacher here.
That's your problem, man. I really can't help you.
The one and only option I have, our RK sir. Yes, he is the only one who can understand me because he is a Telugu guy.
You darling, here everything is worst. This lockdown separated us these many days. I can't stay with these people. I want to see you soon. If Sorry, baby.
RK sir, this is too much. You shouldn't talk with another woman like this while your wife is trusting you.
Hey man, I am talking with my wife only. What do you think of me?
Oh, sorry. I didn't expect that you talk with your wife with this much love. Actually, you are the only one who talks with wife with this much love in the world.
Disturbing every time. Go man, I hate you.
Actually, I need some help.
You dirty minded fellow, get out of my sight.
Okay. I hate you too.
Hello, Mr. Dina Dinakar Dhananjay Shaktiraj. What's up?
Stop teasing me, bro. Dinakar Dhananjay is only on weekends. Weekdays, it's just Murali. Actually, because of this COVID, everyone got frustrated. Even our teammates also became like a terrorist group here.
Go with the flow, brother. We can't help you.
Oh god, finally I have to request Susmita only. Because she is the only one. No, this time I don't repeat this dialogue.
Hi, Sush.
What?
I think you called me, right?
No, I didn't call you.
No, I mean, you wanted to say something, right?
I didn't want to say anything.
Okay, sorry. Can you please listen to me?
Okay, say sorry then I'll listen to you.
Okay, madam, sorry. Actually, I didn't finish my work here. I had to finish it before the weekly status meeting starts. Can you go to the grocery store instead of me today? Because I haven't done anything in this weekend. Can you?
What status meeting? Lazy fellow, it's cancelled and will come next Friday.
What? Cancelled.
Because clients are having some network issue and they'll be offline for a while. Didn't you check size mail? I was about to tell you this in the beginning itself. You posed like a hero and you ignored me. You should have checked your mail before picking anybody. Status call.
We can't take it. You go better. You'll better look for someone else.
Disturbing every time. Go man, I hate you.
Okay, say sorry then I'll listen to you.
Really? I'll kill him.
Murli, I had a crazy dream. You know what you were doing in the dream? You're trying to wake me up. You were using, you blew trumpet, you started eating all things. You did ruckus, man. But I don't know why you did. It was one crazy dream, bro. Therefore, I don't know why you did all that.